Hello guys, welcome back to my video. It's me, of course. But doing this. It's Halo Master Chief. We're opening it. It's not the best video quality that I'm gonna have, but only thing I could think of, and I just bought this at Walmart, and I thought it would be a good idea just to do that. So let's get into it. I'll open it a little bit. Just a little bit. And I got it a little bit, and then we have Master Chief here. I don't really know much about Halo, so you guys might have to comment if I have anyone watching me. But you know, you guys might have to do that. Comment facts about this. Okay, we have a little stand for it, like a platform. It's rocky. It's like a rocky planet. And I think actually that was in Forward Unto Dawn. Halo 4, I think it is. But that doesn't really matter. And then it has a game add-on right here. I don't have Halo on my Xbox, but I wish. I really do. But then we have Master Chief himself right here. The gun is supposed to be here, but it's not there. Thing about Walmart that I don't like. Oh, the gun just fell out. What's this? Take that, and looks pretty good. It's pretty good detail too. Not really sure it looks good on my camera, but you know, this is my phone, so I don't know. Maybe I could give someone this. And here is Master Chief. Let's take him out. Yes, we could do that. Take a little while. There we go. Here we go. Yeah. This is it. It looks pretty good, I think. It does. But it says 117 on the left. I think it is for the camera. But I don't know if you guys can read it. Let me try to let it focus. It's my phone, so not very good. But then it has like some like scrape from a shot. And pretty articulatable, you know, I think that's the word. But you can move his arm like that. It's perfect, you could say, for like as a toy, a model, any of that. But I guess that's pretty much all. Other than you can move his legs, but it kind of looks weird. It looks a little bit like his leg just got broke. But I'm gonna just pause it and then I can pose it for you, so you guys can see it, what it looks like. And it looks really good. Again. And I have posed him, guys, and here he is. There we go. Looks okay, I think. Kind of weird though. See him? Oh, there. That is John 117, you could say. And what the heck? Yeah, I could use this in a stop motion if you guys want me to. If anyone comments on this video. Comment down below if you want me to do that, and I guess that's all for the day. But here it is, Master Chief. I do have one other Spartan. It's a white one, but yep. Bye. Have a great day.